A year after it debuted with a wild power increase, dramatically widened bodywork and a freshened interior, the facelifted Aston Martin Vantage Coupe is being rejoined by its convertible twin. Headed to showrooms in the second quarter of 2025, the 2026 Vantage Roadster takes everything about its tin-top sibling that gets hearts racing and force-feeds wind through the driver's hair. '26 sees the debut of the Vantage Roadster. Aston says the roof's Z-fold configuration is both faster and lighter than a traditional roof, requiring just 6.8 seconds to fully open or close, making it the fastest fully automatic deployable roof mechanism on the market today. It can be operated at speeds up to 31 miles per hour and incorporates 8 levels of insulation to keep interior noise levels comparable to the coupes. The roof stows seamlessly behind the seats with no need for a bulky and heavy tonneau cover, while the boot lid deck slopes gently downwards until it meets the dramatic upkick of the distinctive rear spoiler. The widened stance introduced on the coupe is retained on Roadster, as is the increased aperture of the signature Aston Martin grille, an object lesson in how to combine beauty with function, with the large grille increasing airflow the powerful engine by almost 30%. Inside, driver and passenger can enjoy a banging Bowers & Wilkins sound system appended to the 10.25-inch infotainment tablet, packed with all manner of gesture commands. Because it is likely Bond himself prefers it, there remain plenty of finely knurled buttons for key mechanical operations such as gear selection, drive selection, heating, and ventilation. It's all very symmetrical, with a row of buttons flanking the gear selector and topped by dials for temp and audio volume. A large starter button takes an elegant center stage. The brand says it developed the two Vantages in tandem, so all of the same upgrades it made to the 2025 Coupe apply to the convertible as well. That means Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers, an electronically controlled limited slip differential, and Aston's active vehicle dynamics, which allows drivers to adjust the stability control intervention to hone their car control. Powered by the Aston Martin 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine delivering 665 PS/800 Nm, Vantage Roadster brings all the class-leading performance, dynamic sensations, and visual excitement of the coupe, with an additional dimension of top-down freedom and thrills for those addicted to open-air motoring. Vantage Roadster combines explosive performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, top speed 202 miles per hour, and state-of-the-art technology within the classic front engine, rear-wheel drive configuration adored by those who simply love to drive. With thanks to a retractable roof, even more of the inimitable V8 thunder can be heard by occupants, emanating from under Vantage's dramatically sloping bonnet and exhaust tailpipes. The 2026 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster will arrive at dealerships in the second quarter of 2025. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but based on the coupe's tremendous leap from less than $150,000 in 2023 to more than $190,000 for 2025, expect the drop top to land on the high side of $200,000.